guys, so I got to the hotel. I'm going to do my room tour video right now. So when you step into the room, you insert your key right here to turn on all the lights in the room. It's a hallway area. This lovely canvas right here. To your right, you have this first full body mirror. It's not a resort if it doesn't have a full body mirror. You also have your closet. You have a safe right here, iron hangers. You have a comforter at the top. You have 2 robes, and you also have an iron board. So right here is where you could pack your luggage. If you don't want to pack it out and put it in the closet, you could put it right here, and it also has space under here that you can put your shoes or any other luggage that you don't want to put at the top. I can pack all these luggage under here if I want to. Into the lounge area. So you have this lovely blue sofa, you have a side table right here, these 3 mirrors. I feel like this is such a beautiful mirror. I love the color on the wood, the exterior of the mirror. Really just so nice. I feel like it really fit the room. So right here now you have your what used to be a bar. Let me try. Where is the switch for here? Oh, here it is. Pre-COVID, there was liquors in here that you could dispense any amount that you'd like, and any time of the day that you'd like. You never had to go to the bar. But because of COVID, they no longer do that. If you want liquors, you have to go down to the bar. They have this here for your ice, 2 glasses, a bottle of water, a kettle, stuff to make your tea. In the fridge we have beverages and a cool bottle of water. Then you go into the bedroom area. So this is the bedroom. Has a nice ceiling fan, flat screen TV, lovely drawers. You can, if you are an unpacker, you can unpack your luggages and put them in the drawer or in the closet. So you have enough space right here. Then you have this lovely view. So from the bedroom, you have this nice tub. I'm short, so I know that I can definitely fit in here. And you have his and her sink with some nice mirrors. You can also get full body pics right here. Not full body, but decent size. Yeah. So you have your towels and your toiletries right here. It has soap, lotion, shampoo and conditioner, and you have a bin right here. This is the shower. It is so big. This is the biggest shower I've been in. It has shelves right here. You can put towels on here if you like. And this is a huge shower. Very huge shower. the shower, you have your toilet in a separate room where whoever is using it, they can get some privacy. And this room is very, very spacious. Very, very spacious. So that's it. I guess that's it for my room tour. The lounge area, you have this lovely sea view. I'm just so happy that I booked this room. I'm really happy that I booked this room. So beautiful. I didn't get to come here on my birthday, but it's 1 week from my birthday and I'm going to enjoy this trip like it's my birthday. So stay tuned for the rest of the vlog.